Till now, we have completed lot of functionalities in a project. Complete registration part, login part. If the user is not registered and if they add items to cart, what happens and how the data is inserted inside the database, we have completed entire thing. Now in this complete section, we are going to work with Razorpay payment integration. So first thing, before getting started with Razorpay, it is important we sign up to Razorpay. Open Razorpay. Here you will be having two buttons, login and sign up. If you have already registered, you can click on login. If you are new, then you can click on sign up. And this complete Razorpay sign up process I have covered in this video, because here we are going to use a real PAN card and we have to provide lot of information. So again and again, I cannot create the new account. So I'm just going to paste the video link using which you can complete this sign up process of Razorpay. If you have already signed up, well and good, you can get started with login. Now, what we will do, once your registration is successful, just log in to dashboard and we have to access API key and API secret key. I'm just going to log into dashboard. I have logged into Razorpay. Just come to this payment and inside this you will be having one warning, switch to live mode. So which basically means now currently we are in test mode. Now click on this account and settings. Here you will have website, app and settings. Click on this API keys. Now here you will be having one table to generate API key and API secret key. Previously I have already generated. If you have not generated, just click on generate the keys and you will be having two keys, API key and API secret key. Secret key only once you can download. API key will be visible, but secret key only once we will be able to download. Maybe for some reason, if you have forgotten where you have kept the secret key, you can simply come here and click on regenerate key. Once you click on regenerate key, you will be getting OTP to your mobile number. You have to enter the OTP and you will have both API key and API secret key. But as of now, I am already having this data. So this is the API key, secret key I am having with me. So both I am just going to copy. Open this VS Code editor. Inside this users area, I will be creating one file, config.php. Open PHP. Below this, I'm just going to close. I will create one variable. I will write API key and in the form of string, we are just going to paste our key. Then below this, I will create another variable. I will write API secret. And again, I'm just going to close. And whatever values you will copy from Razorpay dashboard, that values you have to paste here. For security reasons, I will not be showing my values, but whatever values you are having, you have to paste that values in the form of string. I will copy and paste and I will be closing this file. Very important step, you have to sign up to Razorpay. You have to move to test mode. We cannot work with live mode directly. So initially as a beginner, we will be working in test mode. And then from account and settings, we are going to go to API keys and we will access both API key and API secret key. Once it is done, inside users area, we will be creating config.png and inside that we will be pasting both API key and API secret key. You have to complete till here, only then we can proceed with further steps in Razorpay.